Some of the latest treatment options for cancer include improvements in using more targeted therapies and immunotherapy. There is more specialized testing to understand pathways that cancer follows, which will lead to more specific treatment. Instead of using chemotherapy that comes in and kills all of the cells in your body, using more targeted therapies goes after just the cancer cells. Additionally, using medications that modify your immune system and basically take the brakes off the immune system allows the body to start treating cancer itself. And this is getting used in several types of cancer quite successfully.